Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with yet another video today for 3 of sustain board and 2 buffer boards. It's one of those days. I just made another video for an LG set that's sold online, and this is for a Samsung set for HPT 5054, 5064, I think 5034 may have been the same. I don't know what TV the customer has, but this video is going to be very similar to the ones that I just uploaded. It is made for the benefit of the customer who bought this set of LJ92-01490A. The number should be somewhere down here. LJ490A. Yeah, that's just the short number. The full number is somewhere else on the board. Today is 21st of February 2020. This is the Y main board. This is the top buffer board. You can see where the top 2 ICs have been replaced. This is the bottom board. Again, today's date and mark. And this is the image that the boards are providing. Again, very much like the previous video, don't pay attention to that horizontal line. It is because hundreds of boards have been serviced on this TV, and the cables that get out of the plasma panel and connect to the buffer boards just started tearing, and that's why most of them have those scotch tapes on the side to slow down that process. In the TV that I made a video for earlier this morning, there was a thicker line, but you can see that single line here on any one of the videos that we have, and we have a lot of them, tens if not hundreds, coming out of that same TV. So this video is made for the benefit of the customer who will know that the boards are functioning and actually tested, because many times when you buy stuff out on eBay, and especially if you buy it from liquidators and chop shops and companies that do not offer repair services, they arrive bad. There is a video dedicated to this particular topic in our YouTube channel. I believe it's the home video for that. There is a simple reason why this is happening. It is just that chop shops receive TVs that are one way or another discarded and disposed of, and they take apart everything. They don't test, they don't have the knowledge and the time and the motivation to do and isolate the bad boards. That's not their business. They put everything together, list it out, and let the market pretty much decide which boards are not functional and which are. Anyhow, unlike those, we are testing and servicing boards, and we do show that they are working. Once again, video showing what's on the screen. That should be enough. And this is not a guarantee that customers' TV will end up working. The main board in HPT 5054, this is a Chinese substitute. We service those as well. They are also known to fail in different ways. We had to replace the main board a few times just for the past 6-7 years while we've been fixing those. We've fixed probably hundreds of sustain and buffer boards for those. Very rarely the plasma logic board will go bad, and when it does, it may take down all those 3 for reasons I explained in the previous video. We cannot give a warranty, and we will not give a warranty that what is needed in a repair is those 3 boards. The person doing the repair takes responsibility for the repair. We do take responsibility for providing boards that are functional like those, and they are. That is all for the time being. Good luck with your repairs, and hope that helps.